I'm at Gray's Classic Cars, and if you're into the Fast and Furious, this is the car for you. It's a Japanese import, but modified dramatically. It's got a big Garrett turbo, bridge-ported engine, as you can hear. Reminds me of racetracks, to be honest. It's had a big intercooler fitted by these people called Race Only, who's a specialist rotary tuning firm. It's, you know, I mean, not my scene, but it's a lot of people's scene. So if you want something a bit special, or a track car or something like that, you know, it'd be well worth a look. It's, it sounds like a swarm of bees. I'm going deaf already by listening to it. Now, rotaries have a pretty big following. Look at this, it's a huge, big intercooler, all custom piping, great big Garrett turbo. It's all been done very professionally, and yeah, I mean, if you're into this sort of thing, you could do a lot worse. It's got all the gizmos in it that these sort of cars have. It's got this incredible Microtech system dash, which shows you all that you need to know. As I said before, I quite like Mazdas. We were Mazda dealers, and I raced one of these in production racing for the Mazda factory team, and Dick Johnson and I won the Bathurst, or the 12-hour race in I don't know when it was, 1995. No, 95, yeah. So Dick Johnson and I won the 12-hour race in a RX-7, like similar to this, in 1995. So I've got a soft spot for Mazdas. These are, you know, these are real tunable things, and this has had a fortune spent on it.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.